Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Aid. In this guide video, I will show you how to log in commercial services CIT bank account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch open any browser of your choice. Now click on the search bar and type in cit.com/sign-in. Press enter. Now you'll be led to the official sign-in interface of CIT Bank. You'll be able to find the option for manage your account over here. Simply click on this field. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Over here you'll be able to find the option for commercial services. Simply click on it. Now after you click on it, you'll be able to find various options over here. CIS, Client Information System, Client Internet Reporting, Online System Access, After Hours Online System Access. So what you have to do is simply click on the sign in option that you can see right below the account that you want to sign into. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to see the information over here. You can read these informations very carefully. Now if you want to log into your account, enter your username and password. Click on the field of enter username and enter the username over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. Now after you enter the credentials, click on this option login that you can see on the screen. After that, you'll be logged into your account. So that is how you log in commercial services CIT bank account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.